We're visiting Leslie Martin, and he's a jazz pianist. He started when he was 14.
I like this guy.
Yeah, and he actually did a gig by the time he was 15. He travels the country, if not the world, with his band, with Squirrel Nut Zippers.
Wow.
So that's pretty impressive.
That's very cool.
We should celebrate. I had my next-door neighbor, Vic, that balled up some crabs for us. He bought us a guitar, and we was going to play some music for y'all on the way out.
Oh, man.
Oh, that'll be such a treat.
That would be great.
Got some good crab and shrimp there.
Oh, my goodness, that looks divine.
Here it comes, y'all.
Whoop.
Well, that's par for the course. Looking good.
That looks like a feast.
You can drink this juice here, which is quite sweet.
I want to get in here. How do you guys get into these? This is really good. This is the best boil I think I've ever had.
Today.
Bravo.